Ibizo lami nguYolanda Ndlovu, ngihlala eNkulumane Bulawayo. Mina ngenza nge-beadwork. Ngiyayenza izikhwama, ama-necklace, ama-earrings, etc. kuningi. Ngizaqala ngalesi sikhwama. Lesi kuthiwa i-handbag. I-handbag. Zonke lalezi elizibonayo lapha just kuyafanana nje but kuchiyene nje i-design. Then lesi i-round bag. Njengoba libona ukuthi i-design leyi laleyi ayifanani. Then i-design leyi laleyi iyafanana, just i-difference yakhona ukuthi ama-beads asebenzela lama-beads asebenzela lapha a-different. Then left ngathatha i-takeaway, i-lunch box ye-takeaway, ngakopa i-design yakhona ngayenza kwaba yi-fruit plate. Then lapha ngilama-earrings. Le yi-necklace ihamba lama-earrings angikhona. Ihamba lama-earrings angikhona. Uyakwanisa ukuthi ukumetha le bag la ngikhona goes together. Then i-different design yama-necklace, yama-earrings. Konke ngikwenza ngama-beads la ngezandla. No needle, what just izandla zami ngithwale ngama-beads.
So this combo would be how much?
This one is $25.
So I mean, so
This one is $2, which is $27. Okuningi ngathi ngibona ku-social media.
So you trained yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
This comes across some compartments in practice.
This one.
Right here.
Well, where did you get the piece from?
Town.
Oh, you are taking it down, beads.
Yes.
Okay.
But these ones ngiyathenga isizini.
Okay. So ufundisa abanye kumbe vele lonke lefunda la. Do you also have time to teach others? Yeah, kumbe lenza lebangaki la. So ufundisa abangaki la center.
So far no one.
Okay. Kula ma interested parties abafuna ukufunda kopa kuwe.
I don't know.
Okay, okay.
So uthenga kanjani lokhu zakho lezi? How do you then find it?
Okay, this is here $25.
I'm a customer.
Alright. Abantu bayathenga through social media, but i-challenge ikhona ukuthi eBulawayo abantu abaningi isikhwama lezi abakazithathi serious and ngathi abazazi like because umuntu uma usumtshela $25 yabe sebona ngithiwa imali edurayo engakwazi ukuthi le i-effort oyifake khona la ingakanani.
So I was a